Hey guys, I'm in Fort Worth and today we're going to go to the Trinity Park Duck Pond. I just ate some Vietnamese pork salad and vermicelli pork salad. And now we're going to take a look at the tons of ducks. Well, they're big. These are mallard. No, actually not sure what kind of duck those are. Look at that. So cute. There's something over there. I think it's a duck. Yeah, I can see his little feet paddling there. You can't see as good as I can, but that's so cool. There he is. Hello. Kind of looks like a whistler duck. But they're so cute when they do this. They just stick their butts up in the air. Oh, those are little baby ducks right there. Little baby ducks going under. See? Oh, so cute. That's a mallard, a drake, male mallard. And that's the mama. God, I'm sorry. I can't help. They're just so cute with their little butts stick in the air. Oh, yeah. So that's a mama, male and female mallards with 2 babies. There's a couple more babies. They look like they might be mallards. They might belong to the other ducks. I don't know what kind of duck this one is here, but the feathers are kind of iridescent. Hey, duck. Hi. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Well, the head is not so pretty, I think. No offense. But, yeah. He's not afraid. I'm like 4 feet from him or her. This is a pretty cool park. It goes all the way over there. There's a water fountain and more ducks over there. Plenty of shade spots to sit. If you want to just relax in the shade, might find a shady spot with a bench. Little bridge. I'm going to go over this. So that's where I came from, over there. Walked over here. This is the other side. There's a turtle in the water. I think you can see it. So yeah, we'll go over there where there's a little bit more ducks. So to be honest, when I was saying we're gonna go see a ton of ducks, I feel stupid now, but I'm just gonna tell the world how stupid. From a distance, I thought that I saw a ton of ducks. I'll do an overlay on here. There's a whole bunch of stumps sticking out of the ground, and I thought those were ducks sitting around. I'm dumb. Anyway, here we go. This one looks like he's just chilling. Whoever is responsible for cleaning and keeping up with the park is doing a terrible job. But otherwise, it's pretty cool. Nice and cool here in the shade anyway. It's about 86 degrees. Yeah, see all those ducks? Are those ducks or geese? I think they're ducks, but they're really big. There's some over there. Oh, looks like some Peking ducks that look like sunflower. Hey, baby. There's a baby mallard. There's some more babies. So there they are, a couple male and female mallards. The males are always so much prettier. They call male ducks the drake, in case you didn't know. Oh, look, there's a wood duck. That's cool. There's a couple wood ducks. grass over there. Oh, this guy's got a messed up wing here. That's sad. A whole bunch of goldfish right there, concentrated. There's a little baby all by itself. I'm gonna guess that one's probably a week old, if that. Opposite of the pond are ducks just hanging out here in the water. Or in the grass, actually, sorry. Thirsty squirrel. Getting a little drink. Hi. The tail curled indicates it's a male duck, a drake. So those are two males. His feathers don't look quite right for his wings. Why are you rushing to me? I don't have any food for you. Look at that wing. Poor guy. Oh, that hurts to look at it. I think this means she may be mating or ready to mate, I guess. The way her back tail feathers are spread out. But her boyfriend is leaving her. He's like, I ain't got time for that. That's the female, and that's the male. It's kind of cool how they hang out in partners. I don't know what kind of ducks those are, but they're big. Here comes a wood duck. Oh, they're so pretty to me. Very unique. This squirrel is playing hide and seek with me. Where'd he go? Did you see him? This is a really big oak tree. Look. Pretty big, huh? Okay, another stupid moment. So the duck pond is over here, and I came from over there, and then there's this big levee, and there's a firefighter memorial there and a parking lot. So I parked over here. I walked over there all the way to that road back there just to get over this levee, because I thought that was the only way per the GPS. So when I do a GPS to get back to my car, it says just go up here, come this way, and it's straight, and here's my car. Well, I mean, I got some exercise, so I guess I can't complain.